we introduced the 125/3212 CNC hydraulic press brake. The heart of this machine is the OT-41 controller mounted on a swivel arm and equipped with a touchscreen and an intuitive user interface. Its large built-in memory allows for the storage of numerous CNC programs. The controller operates in 3 modes: dynamic, manual, where the operator has full control over the arm's movement; single, semi-automatic, where the machine aids the operator by partially automating the cycle; continuous, automatic, where a single press of the pedal initiates the work cycle, which continues until the pedal is pressed again, regardless of the number of steps in the program. The controller runs the X, R, V and both Y axis. The X axis is responsible for the forward and backward movement of the bagger. We offer options to enhance your experience. The automatic R axis, which enables the baggage to move up and down. The Y1 and Y2 axis responsible for independent control of the cylinders. The V-axis, also known as crowning, ensures the correct angle along the entire length of the workpiece. You have the freedom to choose between manual and automatic versions. All axes of the machines are powered by servo motors for smooth and precise operation. The machine comes standard with Amada-type clamps, featuring a quick punch change function. For improved ergonomics, dual clamps can be installed on the machine. To extend its functionality, the machine can also be equipped with a segmented die. The machine has high-quality components: Siemens licensed motor, electrical system components from Schneider, Rexroth hydraulic valve. Thanks to the OCS cooling system, hydraulic oil parameters will remain unchanged, ensuring consistent performance. Safety is our priority. We've equipped our machine with Omron brand limit switches, light curtains and numerous emergency stops to ensure operational safety. Interested in learning more? Get in touch with us today.